Who are you yelling at?
Oh, I know.
Let me know.
This is not my first interrogation by the Republican Guard. This is where they burned me with acid. They pierced my hands with a drill. Would you like to see the soles of my feet? Where they pulled the skin off? These are handiwork of your friends. The people you swear allegiance to.
If you were innocent, I'm sorry. But this bombing is a different matter. Nadia.
Go on, say it. Do your work.
See?
Then I'm going to hurt you.
Aden.
I was a soldier.
You were. And I still.
It was a long time ago.
You're showing Grandpa your tricks? You are?
More about her.
Okay.
Nadia.
Alex. Who is he?